So the fold I'm going to do is called Randlett's Flapping Bird. It's one of my favorites. It's a really elegant fold. There are only 4 main structural folds to it once you've done the straight and diagonal folds that are the setup for the water bomb base. So you start with the water bomb base, fold across both ways with the colored side up, and then turn it over. I dampen my fingers a little bit to control the paper, and fold corner to corner. And do that both ways as well. If you line up that corner, the fold should be where you want it to be. So there you are. And there's the water bomb base. You can see it's got 2 flaps on each side. So for Randlett's Flapping Bird, we're going to move one of those flaps over to the left. And here are the structural folds. It's the same one. You start at the front, at the single flap side, and bisect that corner. Just like that. Fold the edge to the fold, but you're not going to crease it all the way, just crease it to the center. Fold it down, bring that one back over, and do the same fold. So you're bisecting this angle here, folding this edge to that fold. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so that's one side. And then you put that back because see, this side has to have 3 flaps. You turn it over. So again, working from the single flap side, bisect this angle, fold around that point there, fold the edge up to the water bomb fold, and crease it halfway. And bring that forward and do the same thing again. Much easier on a bigger sheet, but never mind. There we go. Okay, so this goes back. Now, this is the magic part. So you're going to fold that, and this is the side C with the single piece. You fold that up, and this also is going to fold, and you're going to lay that down and just flatten it like that. It should lie down very easily. You shouldn't have to fight it. Do the same thing on the other side. Along the fold that you just made, and also here along the fold that you just made. And it will lie down without a lot of fight. So there's the shape that you have. Let's see what you've got here. Now, to make the head, see this little fold here? You're going to take this edge and fold it up just like that. Crease it, and then do an outside reverse fold. So open that up, and wrap those edges around the outside. So there's the bird's neck, the wings and the tail. So to make the head, pinch that down at the angle that you want the head to be at, give it a good crease, open it up again, and do another outside reverse fold to make the head. And this is Randlett's flapping bird, which is really beautiful. Hold it by the chest, pull on the tail, and it flaps. And one of the things I really love about this bird is this shape here that it makes. It's just so elegant. And I love the motion, the way the wings curve forward a little bit at the tip, like a real bird in flight. It's just, I think, my favorite piece of moving origami. So that is Randlett's flapping bird.